The pizza recipe that saved a company, Domino's bold turnaround story. What would you do if the world told you that your product was terrible? In 2009, Domino's Pizza faced a crisis that could have ended the company. Customers complained that their pizzas tasted like cardboard, the sauce was bland, and the cheese was artificial. Domino's had a choice: ignore the criticism or face it head-on. Instead of making excuses, Domino's took a radical approach. They admitted their faults publicly. In a bold move, they launched a campaign that aired real customer complaints, apologized, and showcased how they were reinventing their pizza recipe from scratch. The company's executives, including the CEO, were personally involved, testing and tasting new recipes to get it right. The results? A complete turnaround. Domino's not only won back customers, but also saw a surge in sales and stock price, transforming from a struggling brand into one of the most successful pizza chains worldwide. This honest, gutsy approach proved that sometimes the best way to win back trust is to admit your flaws and work tirelessly to fix them.